Today we're running the real-time simulations for the AMEC project, which is part of the Future Flight 3 program. We're following a journey of the air taxi from Bristol to London City.
The capabilities that we have in-house with NATS are also incredible because you get to see an actual view of the tower as well as a use of airspace and radar together with our newly created and showcased apps.
We're introducing a new role, a new function called Airspace Manager that allows the receiving of the submitted flight, verifying whether it's conflicting with any other submitted flights, whether it's conflicting with any airspace or any other events happening, allows to correct this flight or adjust and then feed back to the air taxi operator for the final submission. It can take up to a few weeks. Currently, we're trying to reduce this to a matter of minutes.
So essentially my job, as it would be today, remains the same, but we can scale up the number of eVTOLs and air taxis, and they can be handled in a safe and efficient manner without impacting the workload or the safety of our existing operation.
What's significant is we're testing waters, we're testing what the future operation will look like. We don't have the regulations in place to support the future operations, but what we are doing today will inform the regulators to create the new regulations, allowing us the operations in the future.
It's an incredibly exciting time. You know, controllers love technology, but something like this means that we're embracing new technology, we're embracing new ways of carrying the public around the sky, and yet our job itself is going to pretty much remain the same, but we're going to be part of this new wave of exciting technology and the exciting mode of transport that we have never seen before. So it's a very exciting time in air traffic control, but also in aviation.